Yes, so hello, welcome to my live demo of my Webtech final projects. This is Digny here with you. So as you can see on this page, I try to incorporate a lot of MVC structure and architecture as demonstrated here. So I had classes controllers, I had my CSS database, I had my fonts, documents, images, styles, also ensuring that I did a bit of my PHP testing, my footer header, what I have here for my landing page is my index.php. It's an incorporation of me trying to update from database and retrieve fetch from database, and also that's to be exemplified in the control line classes and how they come into play and as into that. I employed a lot of Bootstrap for my CSS as well. So as you can see here, I have required my fixture controller. Okay, just a bit on what the fixture controller does. Okay, so my fixture controller, in my case and my project, allows me to first add fixtures. So it's a sports website for the Chelsea Football League. So fixtures are made out, and it's important that we get to capture that. So we have the team, the various teams, the score lines, the dates, and all featured here. We get to add a new fixture, we get to delete a fixture, we get a team out of the fixture, we able to get who even the top goal scorer is, per the entire league, top assists, get players, get stuff that is for the football association itself. This also carries on into the class where we use simple SQL queries to be able to generate all those stated controllers from our database in that sense. So therefore, building on the three basic principles of web tech, being able to add, delete, or update from database in that sense. Yeah, that's what I have over here. A bit more on my classes. As I did mention earlier, I incorporate a lot of MVC architecture into that. Trying to be more elaborate and all caused me to have just a little too much of pages, but that's still fine anyway. I'll move right into what I've done. So this is my GitHub repository, Webtechfinals. I have, then again, it's structured per MVC architecture principles. I have all my files here. And yeah, there's more JavaScript because I wanted the website to be more high end in that sense. Yes, so then again, trying to make sure you can host it on Azure, Microsoft Azure in that sense. I did a lot of work on that as well. Unfortunately, I'm able to display that because I still have some issues with my hosting, and hopefully I get that sorted out before I submit, or while I mean, even after I've submitted, it's something else to work on to make sure that my website is being hosted as well. But yes, then again, back to the code and the work that I've done. I think that's the work I've done should have been degraded because of the hosting issue. So yeah, there's a lot. Back to my index page. Then again, making sure you're able to retrieve some of this information using queries and all. Give me a second, let me sort this out. So let's take where, but yeah, even here trying to make sure that I had a lot of indexing principles and also make sure the code also works, and a bit of commenting also in there. So this code space, for instance, here allows you to generate who the scorers are. You're able to generate who the top scorers are in that sense. So drawing that from the required fixture control that I put at the top there to ensure that I'm able to gain from that, fetching from the scorer index side and making sure that that reflects in the database as well, as you can see here. So this is more or less it. Involves so much. I hope it's impressive enough. Unfortunately, I'm having hosting issues at this point. So for players as well, it's a similar procedure here, making sure that then again I'm able to position my code such that it's easy for anyone to be able to look through. and identify the key areas of functionalities that the code offers as well. Yes, so in that, this is what I have as of now, and thank you so much.